Does an LLC need to be in a logo? No, you are not legally required to include LLC in your logo, but you must use the full legal name of your LLC, including LLC on contracts, state filings, bank accounts, and other official documents. Logos are considered marketing materials, so they can be more flexible and creative. For example, if your business is registered as Fresh Bites LLC, your logo could simply say Fresh Bites without the LLC. This makes the branding cleaner and easier for customers to recognize, while your legal documents still show the complete name. The important point is consistency. Use the full legal name in all formal contexts and reserve the shortened version for branding. This way, you stay compliant with state rules while keeping your marketing professional. Zen Business can help you with LLC compliance and ensure your branding stays legally sound. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.